Yeah, totally flat. When you have flat tires and you put the bike on the side stand, not on the central stand, then you know that your rubbers are, your tires are, out and you cannot use them. So one of the things that we will do is definitely change these tires. Now let's remove the front panel. And here you can see, how Chinese work. So they didn't bother to paint spray this inner side of the plastics. They just leave them. I don't know, I don't have experience with the scooters, maybe all they'll do that, but somehow I'm in doubt that Piaggio or some Japanese manufacturer will do this. Just remove. Yeah. Okay. I see one issue. This panel is rubbing against the front fender. Here we have that non-working brake. I think this is the brake fluid. So yeah, this brake cylinder is stuck. When you have this amber look in your brakes, it is not a good sign, but the good sign is that it is full, so we don't have loosage. we will remove brake switch and everything else. You know, I'm concerned about the rubber here and how it will react when we put it in diesel. Frankly, oh yeah, here it comes. Yeah, okay. So there is a life in it. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it starts working. How will you test your brake cylinder? You push it, put the finger on the hole, you know where the brake line goes, and then release it. If you have a vacuum there, then you know it's working. Now after some soaking, I'll run the brake, braking them. Right? Okay. And yeah, hopefully I will not dismantle it or anything for now. It seems fine. This bike is only 5,000 kilometers, so yeah, just need some love. Okay, so yeah, I think we can put that back on bike. Yeah, why not? Let's drain the front brake. Fresh one. See? It will not be that easy, of course, because you know oil doesn't go through the system. Well, I think I will need to rebuild this master cylinder, but let me give it one more chance. Yeah, we will need to see. For now I just put, you know, the brake lever engaged and put some brake cleaner, but I think we will need to change the brake hose, repair the master cylinder and repair the caliper, as I'm now see the brake inside. The brake fluid simply crystallized, you know, so I'll try with this screw and try what will work. But if nothing work, yeah, no other way than change. We'll put, if we change this, we'll put the armor, you know, lines, so a little upgrade on brakes. I will remove the caliper and put everything in diesel and, you know, let it soak. Disassembly, clean assembly. I don't see any other way. So that's it for the brakes. We'll wait for the keys and then drain the coolant, flush everything. So I think I have some, you know, liquid for flashing the cooling system, so we'll flash the cooling system with it. I removed the air filter, so yeah, I don't know, frankly. I think we will leave it for now. It's not so dirty. It's not clean, but it's not so dirty. So maybe I will just run the air compressor for now through it. Although if not expensive, I will buy a new one, because I know how much problems can cause the air filter. And yeah, we'll buy the battery, spark plug, put the oil in cylinder and try to start. We'll see from there what else do we need to do. But yeah, as far as the brakes go, I think we'll need to rebuild the whole system. I think it's way past salvageable, but yeah, let's see. See you guys, thank you.